Hello friends, if you're looking for something classy and very delicious and easy to prepare at home, you're surely on the right page. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how I make shrimp fried rice. It is so delicious, better than restaurants. Come with me and let's start cooking. Alrighty friends, so to get this recipe started, you need shrimp. So I have here fresh shrimp and I'm adding in some salt. Yeah, so with this shrimp, you can get some from your seafood market. Next, I have in here my ginger powder, paprika, and my fish seasoning. And with this, you can add any preferred seasoning of your choice. So go ahead and mix them really well. So after you mix them, please cover it. You can use any clean item to cover it and then leave it aside for just 10 good minutes. Okay friends, let's go ahead and get our vegetables ready. So I'm going to start cutting my green onion. So we are trying to make this recipe very simple and very delicious. This is the recipe that everybody can make it at home. You have all the necessary ingredients to prepare this deliciousness at home. Yes, so after we cut our green onion, I'm going to cut some fresh onion as well. So I'm using one medium red onion. You don't have to use the red one, you can use the white onion. That is absolutely fine. Alright, so let's go ahead and cut some carrots. If you have the bigger ones, you can use it, but this is what I have in my pantry. So next, I'm going to add my jalapeno. I want a little bit spicy in the rice, so that's why I'm adding in this. But you can skip it if you don't like spicy. But trust me, adding a little bit spicy to that rice will taste absolutely amazing. And I want you to try that. So next I have here my bean sprouts. I remember whenever I order fried rice, from my favorite restaurant, they usually add bean sprout and it is so amazing. So I'm going to add it this time. And you can get some for your normal grocery store. So next I just turn my stove into a medium heat and I'm adding in here some fresh coconut oil, so which is about 2 tablespoons. Then add your seasoned shrimp. We're not going to overcook this shrimp, so we're going to cook it for just 7 good minutes. But friends, this shrimp fried rice will be your easy to go. It is dinner time. We don't have to scratch our head and wondering what we can make. This is the amazing recipe that I'm sharing with you, that it is so delicious that your family will be pleased. So after I let it cook for 5 minutes, I'm adding in here some crushed garlic and green onion. And I'm going to let it cook for just a minute because the shrimp is done. And remember, we don't want to overcook this shrimp. Alright, so if you overcook this shrimp, it's going to taste very chewy and we don't want that. We want our shrimp to be cooked and nicely tender. That is how we want it. So it has been 7 good minutes and I'm going to remove all my shrimp. It is so delicious. And the smell, I wish you can smell from the screen right now, but that's how beautiful this recipe is. So I'm adding here my onion, carrots, and jalapeno. So please cook it for just 2 good minutes. And after 2 minutes, you can add in here your bean sprout. It is so important that you don't overcook all your vegetables, because if you do, you're going to have a little bit watery in the rice and we don't want that. So let it cook for just 1 minute, and then after a minute, you can just go ahead and then remove all your vegetables. Fried rice is so delicious, and when you take the time to prepare it, it's just amazing and priceless. Yes, so delicious. Alright friends, so next I have here eggs. I'm adding 6 eggs. You can add any preferred eggs of your choice. You can even add the whole tray if you want to. I'm just kidding. Alright, so friends, after we add in our eggs, let's go ahead and add some salt. So after we let it cook for just 1 good minute, it is ready. It smells really nice. Yeah, it's cooked now. So we're going to add here our rice. I just cooked this mandi rice and I have a lot of question about where I got my rice. So I do sell this rice, but rice I'm speaking with you right now, it is out of stock, so I don't have anything available. But if I do, I will surely let you guys know. So after we add in our cooked rice, it is looking so beautiful and yummy. And I'm just going to let it fry it for just 1 good minute. After a minute, you can just go ahead and add your vegetables. Again, I couldn't say. Again, like I said, I is so presentable and I ate sushi. What any be a corner. So when I add in my vegetable, I only cook for just 1 minute. Remember, you're making fried rice. So let's go ahead and add in your shrimp. Shrimp is so amazing. It is well seasoned, well cooked, not overcooked. It's absolutely delicious. Please, friends, make sure that you try this recipe at home. Next, I'm adding in here my oyster sauce. You can get this sauce from any supermarket or grocery market. They sell this everywhere. It is very known. Alright, friends, so this is so delicious. When you add this sauce to the rice, it just add extra taste to your fried rice. This is what the restaurants uses to make the fried rice. So I'm showing you the secret, okay? We're making a very delicious fried rice at home. So next, I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. But if you don't have this sauce, you can just skip it, or if you don't like it. But trust me, when you add this to the rice, it is just flavor pack right there. So delicious, tasty. I really encourage you to try this recipe because you don't just want to watch it. Give it a try, surprise your family. So I have here my green onion, and that is the remaining one. So after I added this, the rice is done. It is completely done. It is tasting so delicious, just like your favorite restaurant, or even better and tastier than the restaurant. Trust me, when you make this recipe, you will never ever order from your favorite restaurant again. Alrighty, friends, so you can just serve it with your family and friends and loved ones. So this is how I make my homemade fried rice. This is the tastiest shrimp fried rice ever made, and I know that you will try this at home. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this page and share, and then subscribe as well. Until I come your way, stay safe, stay joyful, and have a blessed day. Bye bye.